An air force is a vital piece of any military irrespective of country, as they provide ground cover for troops on ground. To defend a nation's airspace and also protect her sovereignty, it is important for a nation to boast of an advanced fighter aircraft. We have compiled a list of 10 best fighter aircraft in the world, and they are as follows. MiG-31. The MiG-31 is a supersonic interceptor aircraft which was proven to be amongst fastest combat fighter jets. Developed by the Russians. It has a cruise speed of about 2,500 km per hour and a top speed of 3,000 km per hour. F-15 Eagle. The F-15 Eagle is an American all-weather tactical fighter aircraft that comes with a twin engine. It has a top speed of 3,017 km per hour and range of about 2,400 miles. It came as a result of the United States' quest to have a dedicated air superiority fighter jet. Su-35. This is a twin-engine air defense fighter jet. Weighing over 17,500 kilograms. It comes with a single seat. Built by Komsomolsk on a Mir aircraft plant for the Soviet. The Su has a top speed of 2,778 kilometers per hour and a range of 4,500 kilometers. The Su cost $40 to $65 million. Dassault Rafale. After the French pulled out of the joint development of Eurofighter Typhoon. Over the disagreement in its operational requirements, France started the development of its own fighter jet known as Dassault Rafale. Dassault Rafale is a French twin-engine military fighter jet. With a top speed of 1,389 km per hour, it was specially designed to perform aerial reconnaissance, nuclear deterrence, anti-ship strike, and ground support for troops. Dassault Rafale weighs over 9,979 kilograms and has a production cost of €45.9 billion or 62.7 Eurofighter Typhoon. Multinational fighter jet manufactured by Flugzeug GmbH for Royal Air Force, German Air Force, Italian Air Force and Spanish Air Force. It was designed to be a supremely effective dogfighter in combat and was deployed in the 2011 military intervention in Libya. Eurofighter Typhoon has a top speed of 2,495 km per hour and cost about £125 million to manufacture a unit. FA-18. This is a single-seat fighter jet that is equipped with an internal 20mm M61 rotary cannon. In addition, with an air-to-air missiles and air-to-surface weapons. To perform military operations for a longer period of time, the FA-18 carries 5 external fuel tanks. It has a top speed of 1,915 km per hour and a range of 3,330 km. It's selling for $66.9 million. Chengdu J-20, also known as the Mighty Dragon, is a twin-engine jet equipped with stealth technology. It was designed for air superiority fighter by Chengdu Aerospace Corporation for China and had a top speed of 2,100 km per hour. It cost between $100 to $110 million. Su-57. This is a 5th-generation jet fighter designed with stealth technology which enables it to fly undetected. The Russian Su-57 succeed the MiG-29 and Su-27. Its maiden flight took place on 29 January 2010 and officially came into service 10 years later. The Su-57 has a top speed of 2,440 km per hour and cost between $50 million to $100 million. F-35. This aircraft boasts enhanced stealth, agility and maneuverability and is known for its wide range of operations such as intelligence gathering, surveillance, electronic warfare and reconnaissance capabilities. Unlike other fighter jets we previously listed, the F-35 comes in different variants. Namely the carrier-based F-35C, short takeoff and vertical landing F-35B, and the conventional takeoff and landing F-35, which has a top speed of all-weather stealth tactical fighter aircraft and remains a critical component of the United States Services Tactical Aircraft. It combines both supermaneuverability, supercruise, sensor fusion and stealth technology. Its engine has maximum thrust in the 35,000 lbf class and has a top speed of 2,414.